Day 7 is all about pushing yourself to see if you have what it takes to go a full day without spending any money. We call it the No Spend Challenge, and it's not for the faint of heart. This challenge will require discipline, creativity, and maybe even a little bit of bravery. The idea behind this challenge is simple. By intentionally avoiding spending money for a day, you can begin to develop a mindset of mindful consumption. Instead of automatically reaching for your wallet, you'll start to consider whether a purchase is truly necessary or if it's just a passing desire. Throughout this chapter, we'll give you some practical tips for completing the challenge, like planning ahead and finding free alternatives to your usual activities. We'll also talk about the benefits of participating in this challenge, like strengthening your willpower and learning to appreciate what you already have. So, are you ready to take on the No Spend Challenge? Let's find out. Tips for completing the challenge. Completing the No Spend Challenge is no easy feat, but with a little bit of planning and creativity, you can conquer it. Here are some tips to help you complete the challenge with flying colors. Plan ahead like a pro. Before the challenge begins, make sure you have everything you need for the day. That means packing your lunch, filling up your gas tank, and withdrawing any cash you might need beforehand. The less you have to worry about during the day, the easier it will be to stick to your goal. Keep your mind and body busy. Boredom is one of the biggest threats to the No Spend Challenge. Instead of aimlessly scrolling through social media or wandering around the mall, fill your day with activities that don't involve spending money. Take a walk in the park, read a book, or have a game night with friends. Get creative with your entertainment. Just because you're not spending money doesn't mean you have to be bored. Look for free alternatives to your usual activities. For example, instead of going to the movies, have a movie night at home. Instead of going out to eat, have a potluck with friends. Stay accountable to your goals. Consider doing the challenge with a friend or family member for support and motivation. You can also hold yourself accountable by keeping a journal or using a budgeting app to track your progress throughout the day. Remember, the No Spend Challenge is about more than just going a day without spending money. It's about learning to be intentional with your consumption and developing a healthier relationship with your finances. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goal and building good habits for the future. Good luck! Benefits of the No Spend Challenge. Participating in the No Spend Challenge can offer numerous benefits beyond just saving a few bucks. Here are some of the ways this challenge can positively impact your life. Increased mindfulness. By consciously avoiding unnecessary purchases, you become more aware of your spending habits and the impact they have on your financial situation. This heightened sense of mindfulness can help you make more intentional and responsible financial decisions in the future. Improved creativity. When you're forced to find free or low-cost alternatives to your usual activities, you become more creative in your approach to entertainment and recreation. This newfound creativity can extend beyond the No Spend Challenge and help you find innovative solutions in other areas of your life. Reduced clutter. Without the temptation to buy unnecessary items, you're less likely to accumulate clutter in your home. This can lead to a more organized and stress-free living space. Enhanced appreciation. When you can't simply buy your way out of a problem or buy things to make you happy, you learn to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. You may discover that quality time with loved ones, a relaxing day at home, or a walk in nature can bring just as much joy as a shopping spree. Financial stability. The No Spend Challenge can help you establish a more stable financial foundation by reducing unnecessary expenses and increasing savings. This can lead to a greater sense of security and peace of mind when it comes to your finances. By participating in the No Spend Challenge, you have the opportunity to develop new skills, gain valuable insights, and improve your overall well-being. So go ahead, take the challenge and see what benefits await you. So why not give it a try? Take the challenge, see what you can accomplish, and reap the benefits of a more mindful and financially stable life. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for Day 8 of our 30-Day Savings Challenge, where we'll be exploring the cost of coffee, how making your own can save you hundreds. We'll provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then.